Hi, Kev come from the garden. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Just an update about the Worsleya Procera. Um, she's fully open. But firstly, let's just talk about these. Chocolate Cosmos. A lot of my gardening friends will know how much I love chocolate Cosmos. Not just for the scent, that's a big thing for me, chocolate. Being a diabetic that I can't have any, but hey, I can just sniff this all day long. It's absolutely stunning. Really is beautiful velvet, burgundy, almost black. Some of the new blooms that come out, and I'm really not a fan of hanging baskets. Detest them. So what I'm constantly trying to do is, reinvent the wheel. So what we've done with this one, terracotta pot, big chain all the way through, quite a heavy duty chain because it takes a lot of weight all the way through the pot. You have to drill the bottom of the pot and then stabilize it. And as you can see, this was free chocolate Cosmos in here, and it's filled the pot and it's going to get bigger and bigger, and I can take more and more cuttings. But anyway, back to the reason for the video, the grand opening, the grand unveil, the grand, oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Come and have a look at this. She's fully open. Really excited. I thought I'd dress up for the camera as well. I got my sarong on and everything. But look, she's fully open. Isn't that stunning? There's not a lot, no words to describe it really, but it's fully open. It's been quite difficult actually because we had it for many years in the UK. So being northern, it was mostly just on rock, volcanic rock, broken up into 10 centimetre bits and then fed. Then when we moved to the mainland, she really didn't enjoy the heat in the 40s, wasn't so good. And then moving to the island, had to repot it in a new mix, slightly more soil based. But actually, a lot of people say it likes free draining soil. As you can see, I've got this in a tray. It's sitting in water. So, you can change habits with plants. But anyway, enjoy. Thanks for watching. Kev coming from the garden on Fraggle Rock, aka Madeira. Have a great week. Ciao.